Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Margie. 60 ka na. Take care always. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Margie. Palagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Palagi mong iingatan ng iyong sarili. Happy birthday.
60 years young, still going strong. May your 60th birthday be filled with love, laughter, and all the joy your heart can hold. Happy dual citizen, Ate Margie. Enjoy your day. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy 60th birthday, Maggie. I wish you good health and wealth, and may God shower you today with blessings and love. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Ate Maggie. Happy 60th birthday. I pray that God will continue to give you good health and may He grant all the desires of your heart. I may not always say this, but I am grateful for your life. I remember all your kindness, especially when during those times na nakatira pa tayo kay Mami. You always cover me sa mga gawaing bahay. Tinuturuan mo ako sa mga assignment ko, especially sa math. Alam ko lagi mo akong binibigyan ng ballpen kasi magaganda yung ballpen mo. So, I am truly grateful that I have a cousin like you. And, I pray that God will give you all the happiness that you desire in your life. God bless you more. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Yeah, Gilbert, kawa ka mo.
Happy birthday, Max. Enjoy your citizen discount. May you have many birthday to celebrate. Yes.
Ay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Buddy, happy birthday! You are citizen now. Enjoy your life.
Happy birthday. Long life, good health, and some love.
Happy 60th birthday, Mother dear. I look forward to celebrating with you, but sadly mukhang di ako makaabot. Dito pa kami sa Venezuela. But maybe at the end of this video, may surprise coming pala ako. Charat! Yun. As always, wishing you a good health and happiness. And I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Love you. See you soon.